Today we are going to measure the density of vinegar, cooking oil and compare it to tap water. So the relevant instrument for that is a hydrometer. A hydrometer is an instrument used to measure relative densities of different liquids. So the materials we're going to need for our hydrometer is the salt, the bottle, tap water, the cooking oil and the vinegar. We have the straw, the modeling clay, pen and markers, scissors.
Hi, I'm Mwelase and I'm going to show you how to make an hydrometer. I'm going to use this clay to close one end of the straw to prevent water from penetrating through the straw. So I'm going to use this constant amount of tap water, which is 500 milliliter, to measure its density. So as you can see, this amount of water, which is 500 milliliter, its density is at this green point, as you can see. So for the calibration of my hydrometer, I'm going to use these 220 grams of salt. Firstly, I'm going to pour 20 grams of salt and measure its density, and second, I'm going to pour another 20 grams of salt and measure its density for the calibration of the scale. Here is the calibrated scale. So as we have said before, this green position represents a zero position, which is the density of water. So anything above this green position is less dense than water, and anything below this green position is more dense than water. So let us check this 500 milliliter of water, which contains 40 grams of salt. So as we know that this should be dense than the tap water. Density.
Hi, I'm Happiness and I'm going to use the hydrometer that we have designed to measure the density of vinegar and cooking oil. The reading on the hydrometer is 20 grams per 500 ml below the zero mark. And the reading on the hydrometer is 60 grams per 500 ml above the zero mark. Okay, so as expected, the density of vinegar is greater than the density of water, and the density of cooking oil is less than the density of water. For recommendations, we could have used a paper clip instead of the clay in order to block the liquid from entering the straw, and we could have also used a syringe instead of the straw. For calibration, we could have also used different volumes of water instead of the salt.
Hello, my name is Ofentse. The materials that we used are all accessible from home and are all recyclable, and they are cost efficient. In order to calibrate our hydrometer, the saltwater solution was used because the mass of the salt was known and so was the volume of the water, therefore making it easier to calibrate. We use the modeling clay because it is heavier and it helps the straw to stand upright